emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was near Homeworth, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar. Impact. Tree damage. Locations impacted include Homeworth, Guilford Lake State Park, Salem, Lisbon, Latonia, Columbiana, Beaver Creek State Park. This storm also is producing torrential rain. Poor drainage areas may flood quickly. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at News Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana, Ohio,